Exercise number 1, lever seated leg curl. Sets, 3. Reps, 8 to 10. Sit tall, press your legs down by squeezing your hamstrings, and control the return. Keep your hips glued to the seat and avoid swinging. Full tension, clean reps, feel those hamstrings fire. Exercise number 2, barbell lunge. Sets, 3. Reps, 8 to 10. Step forward, lower into a controlled lunge, and push back through your front heel. Keep your chest up and core strong. This builds leg strength, balance, and serious glute power. Exercise number 3, leg press. Sets, 3. Reps, 8 to 10. Feet shoulder width apart, lower the platform until your knees hit 90 degrees, then drive it back up. Stay controlled, don't lock your knees, and keep steady pressure on your quads and glutes. Exercise number 4, barbell sumo squat. Sets, 3. Reps, 8 to 10. Take a wide stance, toes pointed out, and drop your hips down with control. Push through your heels to stand tall. This variation targets glutes and inner thighs. Stay stable and strong. Exercise number 5, seated calf raise machine. Sets, 3. Reps, 8 to 10. Lift your heels up as high as you can and squeeze your calves at the top, then lower slowly for full stretch. Keep your reps controlled, perfect for strong, defined calves.